there. They are known to be extremely protective over their mate and babies, so much so that they'll risk their life trying to save them. Cardinals can live fairly long lives. The oldest recorded northern cardinal was from a non-captive female. She was 15 years and 9 months old when she was found in Pennsylvania. That's pretty impressive. On average though, northern cardinals live 3 years in the wild, but several individuals have had lifespans of 13 to 15 years. And the longevity record for a captive northern cardinal is an impressive 28.5 years. The crest reveals their mood. Many people know that the crest of a blue jay or Steller's jay can signify what kind of mood they are in, and that's the case for cardinals too. If the crest is lowered, they are relaxed, but if it's raised and pointed, they are agitated. And just like with blue jays, cardinals too